Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix drafts in TikTok if these are missing. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, what you have to do is just simply open TikTok, and then let me tell you that you have to tap on your profile, and here you can see it's not showing drafts in my profile. So firstly, let me tell you that you have to make sure that you have an updated version of TikTok. So you have to tap on App Store or Play Store, and then you have to tap TikTok, and from here you have to check that your TikTok is updated or not. If it's not updated, then you have to update your TikTok and then check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem still exists there, then what you have to do is just simply open TikTok again, and then let me tell you that the process is very simple and same for iPhone and Android phone. So from here what you have to do is just simply take a screenshot, and what you have to do is just simply tap on three lines here, then tap on setting and privacy, and then scroll it down, and you have to tap on report a problem, and scroll it down. From here is the option of videos and sounds, so just simply tap on this, tap on drafts, and here is the option missing drafts, so just simply tap on this, and you have to tap on no, tap on need more help. Let me tell you that you have to write this one, so I have already copied and given in the description as well. So you have to tap on this and select that screenshot from here, and just simply tap on report, and your report will be posted to TikTok team, and they will fix your problem as soon as possible. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.